Of Empowerment, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flags off week-long Start-up India Yatra 1 to empower local entrepreneurs and youths in every nook and corner of Manipur. Provocation visit. Opposition leader Okrami Bobi accuses Prime Minister Narendra Modi of inciting the public instead of announcing welfare projects during his recent visit. And against the Modi government coordinating body of trade union, Manipur appeals for mass support to nationwide strike of Central Trade Union, pressing various demands on January 8th. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has flagged off Startup India Manipur Yatra from the western gate of the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said that Startup India Manipur Yatra, to be held from January 7 to 13, was organized as a part of Startup India Yatra under the initiative of the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIPP. He said that the Yatra was set off to empower local entrepreneurs in every nook and corners of the state. The Yatra will cover several educational institutions such as MU, DM University, MTU, MIT, NIT, CAU, IGNTU, IIT, Lamka College, Maram College, etc. to motivate and inspire youths. Chief Minister Biren maintained that such Yatra aims to spread awareness about the startup policy of central and state governments at the grassroots level of the state.
Bharat Sarkar ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki makhada aikoina youth si aduga masa ki makut masa haiba miyoi sinda Bharat sinthungna da pirakpa kana phangana ba masa ba thabu pijana ba adum makha adugi scheme ni startup se adu hujik amuk laiba ngasi dagi launch tobi basina maruina institutions in the satra mahiroi sinda leidu mogi talent mogi leidu posima da koina madu khangtro Ming Salalaga, Moy Chana report, Karikari, we are gay, have to so Munabuni hiding Mayam, the Nasigi launching Namisida Resi, Kutang, the Manipur Pajamiam, the Imasiasi, Masida de Yobu, Isai Sagi, Hijaba, Kambi, even knowledge, they will report to expose to you, hiding the government of Punamaka, we met in Pano, ready lay hiding to Hijab.
Opposition leader and former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi has accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of provoking the public instead of announcing welfare projects during his recent state visit. Citing the total shutdown called in northeast states by NESO on January 8th against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, the opposition leader said the Prime Minister, instead of announcing welfare projects, incited the people during his visit. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Okrami Bobi asserted that Congress party strongly condemns the bill as it poses a threat for minority communities in the long run. He also termed it unfortunate that a self-styled BJP spokesperson blamed the Congress government for failure of BJP government to take up development works by claiming that BJP government is struggling to repay the 8,000 crore rupees borrowed by the previous Congress government. Okrami Bobi urged the present government to properly analyze budget before making such comments. He said such unwanted comments were not responded immediately as he wanted to maintain the dignity of the Congress party.
Noi Manipur se BJP de vote piraba BJP na ek sarkar pairaba noise de matam kaptaba ban indefinite ban blockade leibe se 48 hours ki manungda ban blockade le heloi haibis di ban blockade tawrami sidi sponsor ban blockade tarame sponsor se kanana honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na kana no yanaraga noi akoina sarkar paidre ban blockade tawna sponsor ban blockade or a Manipur Tormisli. Maybe any ILP ki way by ama way by adu sida kanogi BJP led government hek lakpadagi ban blockade lehendri dunia na hayaba adu di moina tahunba werame ban blockade side koina sendok sari bise mana sida la amaga Manipur ki praja singna expect toramba even paliba government ne chu Narendra Modi ji lakpada kariyumba package kharadi piramani hai bise package pibai mohta awang nongpok Bharat adu Manipur da mai susan bala amba tare haidna koi wafam khaji sendok sari. Thank you.
Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi expressed discontentment that no special welfare package was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his state visit on January 4th. He made a statement during the launching of Congress Party's door-to-door campaign, Jan Sampark Abhiyan, at Shikhong Community Hall in Hairok constituency of Thoubal district yesterday. Attending the event, former Hairok Minister M. Okendra asserted that Congress Party will be strengthened by selecting new Congress candidates in all the 39 polling stations of the constituency during the door-to-door campaign. Democratic People's Front (DPF) has announced its support for the aspiring candidate of the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election of Manipur Outer Parliamentary Constituency and a former finance officer of Manipur Finance Service, K. James, today. DPF President Rohini Kumar and General Secretary Brojen Thongam led DPF executive members in signing an agreement on the same at the residence of K. James in Sangai Pro today. Speaking in the event, K. James also extended his solidarity to various demands of DPF, including permit to contest for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency elections from all the 8 constituencies of the valley, to take up measures for safeguarding the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur and to provide jobs for both literate and illiterate youths of the state.
Ekoi mamang da saba tobiramba alamang sing haire moina bu karinobu MP amagi thodang suk leiriba MP gi parliamentary de chalaka schedule da yauri beche moina paikhating tan leibaneba maramdi schedule chakpiroba ahanbada women empowerment nupi da mapura wagi matin yaudana moina tawangamba scheme se amadi horaga chama leiba adu chu pibasu leite Model village haibasida MP amagi thodanda madugi da yauri waski mayam su pibas leite si mayam si ubadigi aina PMD haiduna aina phang paijari basi thodoga I thokjarabani.
Coordinating Body of Trade Union Manipur has urged people to support a 2-day general strike called by Central Trade Union and its allied unions, pressing 19 various demands from 6 a.m. to January 8th till 6 p.m. of January 9th. Demands include immediate implementation of the 7th Pay Commission report to regularize teachers, staff and other employees on contract, casual, outsource employees and schemes workers to fill up vacant posts by following recruitment rule, to ensure PDS benefits to everyone, to ensure social security to workers and laborers, to pay at least 18,000 rupees wages per month for all workers, to provide jobs for unemployed individuals and to deploy National Highway Protection Force at the national highways of Manipur, amongst others. Speaking to media at Irabat Bhavan, Chairman of Coordination of Trade Union Manipur, L. Sotin Kumar stated that the strike will cover over 50,000 state government employees and over 2 lakhs casual master roll, work charts and daily wage earners. He also said VDF personnel, home guards, vendors, Asha and Anganwadi workers and workers from various organized and unorganized sectors are all geared up for the general strike. Sotin Kumar alerts Narendra Modi-led BJP government for supporting only elite corporations based on its neoliberal economic policy and bringing plights to low-income earning workers. He appealed to support a general strike against the Modi government and also warned that the coordinating body is ready to challenge anyone trying to malign the general strike.
Manipur gumba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯔꯃꯆꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯣꯠꯄꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯃꯆꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯖꯥꯎ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯤꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯗ
National Students Union of India, Manipur State Unit has strongly condemned the announcement made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi while addressing a public meeting at Silchar on January 4th for passing the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 soon in the Parliament. Speaking to media in this regard at Congress Bhavan today, State General Secretary of NSUI, Manipur State, Shyamananda stated that the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is not only a threat to Northeast states, but a challenge to the country's constitution. Stating that Meghalaya state government has already taken a cabinet decision to stand against the bill, Shyamananda asked Chief Minister Biren-led BJP state government to take necessary action in this regard. He reminded that Northeast State Students Organization NESO has called for a total shutdown in Northeast states tomorrow against the decision to pass the bill.
And as Manipur State na Manipur gi hill amsung valley gi people sing the appeal am tawjari madudi bill asi pura fully aware of ina. And lastly, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur CM Biren gi puning so NSI Manipur State ne amna thamoi seng na chingsanjari bill is opposed to Binaviki. You know, the Anoba government, Meghalaya Anoba government, under the leadership of the Honorable CM Korna Sangmagi, Lusing Makada, even cabinet decision low give the Citizenship Amendment Bill opposed to big citizens opposed to cabinet decision low give a gumna Manipur. So cabinet level or not a house the Masiki bill is opposed to Binaviki decision low Binova Haina and as Manipur saying Honorable CM Puning am Tamu saying it's injury.
Meanwhile, volunteers of AMSU and Northeast Student Organization set on fire the Citizen Amendment Bill 2016 at AMSU headquarters, DM College campus today. AMSU President Manjit Sarangthim extended solidarity to the general strike called against passing of the bill. He warned of unwanted incidents in Northeast states if the bill is ever passed in the parliament.
Ikoi Zapisina, Ikoi Nasing India Parliament, Mokogi, one process amagi Manungchan, I must passed over Yanavagi, Pukut Kibasimak, Nesuna, Manipur the soup, component member Moriba, Amsuna strongly condemned Togolan in a high river Villasi, Nasing Simak on Pogis Tarit, Mahiro Luf Nifana, component body sing, Ikoi, my Tado Kandamasi, Chatnabaya have strongly lepi. Religion the best over communal politics. Some central government has Hanarakan, the Ikogi note is Kimiam, Masina Ikogi, Yellow Fruits in Subumutanava, dumping ground, Amoin Amot for Fata, how the Lang Tokpum, Dugumaba, Lamdamamo in Tamnava, Pakistan, the Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Lakpa, citizens, Amoina in Dagi, Sakangan have said, Masi, on Pokemiam, strongly condemned to him.
JCLPS in his press release stated that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 should not pass in the parliament and also urged the government to take decision against the bill. Government employees have decided to take mass casual leave on January 8th and 9th as a part of the ongoing protests of JAC, AMTUK and AMGU in demand for implementation of 7th Central Pay Commission. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area in Imphal today, Secretary General of the JAC, L. Bikin, said that the decision for mass casual leave was taken following the refusal of Chief Secretary to review the order issued by Principal Secretary Vumlunmang for implementation of the 7th pay from April 1st, 2020. He strongly condemned the act of the Chief Secretary against the agreement reached between the Chief Minister and the JAC on October 18, 2018. Bikin said the Chief Minister assured of reviewing the order. He said salary need to be revised every 10 years, but government employees of the state are still getting pays based on 2006 pay scale. He expressed disappointment that no economic package was announced despite submitting a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his recent state visit.
ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 31 ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯀꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯜ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 2 daysꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯀꯦꯖꯨꯑꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯞꯁꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯡ 9ꯒ 8ꯒꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯖꯦꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯨꯛ ꯑꯦꯝꯖꯣꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ प्रजा ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ प्रजा ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯖꯦꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯨꯛ ꯑꯦꯝꯖꯣꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯌꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯖꯦꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯨꯛ ꯑꯦꯝꯖꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ
Manit co-chairman and MLA Hyanglam Y. Radheshyam has inspected the condition of More Trade Center and the shopping mall near More Gate number 2 today. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA Y. Radheshyam asserted that More Trade Center is a significant place as meetings between Indian and Myanmarese delegates are held at the conference hall of the Trade Center. He assured of efforts to fill up the inadequate infrastructure of the trade center.
Moregi Trade Center sida lairiba piumasi hariba Trade Center si thangnareba labak Myanmar ga India ga yam toina meeting to mafam su oiba yam maru mafam amani matam kuining mamangdagi semjan yeduna lairiba adugumba mafam amani madu matau karam torga thuna yangjanna semjan ba yagadabe pium doina masi ji yengba laksabani agi multi story market asisu floor ani semjanabagi plan leibado madu feasibility mayam do amtang yengba sumna koijarapadi department ga haidi government ga tight of toroga yam thuna DPR sana khotra madu funding loan na khona ba yam kana khona jabagi plan cha tharibani ngasi laksari si maroina trade center sigi aho ara phattaba mayam semjangado mayam sigi ai oina final visit laksabani
United People's Front Manipur UPF in a press release informed that Reconsolidation Day 2019 will be held at Lamyan Basanglan Palace Compound on January 9th. UPF appealed everyone to take part in the event. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Forest Minister Shyam Kumar inaugurating Haikol Homestay with an aim to make Andhra a popular tourist spot. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Forest and Environment Minister and MLA Andhra Thaunaucham Shyam Kumar has inaugurated Haikol Homestay at Huikap Awang Laikai today with an aim to convert Andhra into international tourist destination. The homestay was constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund with an aim to give national and international tourists an exposure to the vibrant tradition and scenic beauty of Andhra. Speaking on the sidelines, Minister Shyam Kumar stated that works are underway with support from the local residents to convert Andhra into an international tourist destination. He asserted that the newly inaugurated homestay will be a source of livelihood for the local residents. The Forest Minister urged the people to support him in developing Andhra constituency. Shyam Kumar also inaugurated Huikap Awang Laikai Multi-Purpose Community Hall at Huikap Awang Laikai, Chonga Laukon, constructed under Local Area Development Fund. President of Huikap Ningthaukhun Marub Suraisam Ingocha, Pradhan of Angtha Gram Panchayat Thia Manihal, President of Huikap Awang Laikai Development Committee Suraisam Dilip Mitai, elders of the area and representatives of Maira Lub attended the inaugural event of the community hall. Minister Shyam Kumar also inspected the ongoing construction of Huikap High School Girls Hostel at Huikap Awang Laikai under the funding of the center. He also inspected the construction of Andhra High School near Minister Andhra Panam Ningthau Garden and ongoing works of new school building and hostel of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. The school and the hostel will cater over 3,000 girls up to class 12.
Andhra tourist mayam lakpa foreign gi amadi maling lepa kya dagi India gi tuan tuan state dagi tourist mayam lakpa adar moina dimam tarpa koi ki village lifestyle da laiba khungangi marka laiba dum pang ko dagi demand ji hakalapana khungangi economy phanaba lam ko ba tourism gi ju phanaba ani foreigners gi ju phanaba adu lamdam si sakali ba jumas nga si di khungang sa dum kanama pigani khungangi laiba lifestyle da ngsi ba da khoina yam ngsi ke da yelam legi hare indian currency yelam tang tam lising ni mangai adu moina koi dollar da pibi ha ka da moina dollar lising ma pirame maling gi lam koi mayam sina hariba sothana lairaba kendra si tongan tongam sector dagi tourism dagi koi dollars accept tor kan mo bisu nungai seba to wiba mo bisu ko hen ba laiba Manipur ki scenic beauty asang ma sing si phajana loi yang han ba.
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar also laid the foundation stone for the construction of Andro Tipui Resort Homestay under the funding of Northeast Council NEC today. 3 homestays with 24 rooms will be constructed near Andro Santhai Natural Park within 3 months. The minister also assured of cable care between Kalong and Waka and shorten travelling from Imphal to Andro to just 10 minutes in near future. Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar appealed for public cooperation in enhancing tourism sector of the state.
Androda amadi Tipui Kunjida adugi mati akogi economy laktona lamdam masi sengot pada semulon pakalam pada amadi lamdam masi ki cultures amadi saktam su ngak pada bharat ki amadi malengulen ko bisingna khangnaba amadi adi thimda sengot mafam mani Manipur gi leiba haipa leipan amadi sing masa gi phajaba singi phajaba umwangsi udaki sausi umangi sausi mayamsi ngakpiyu kanbiyu amadi environment bu kanbiyu madu khatana khoi lamdam masigi economy da seminon hendore bene aduga global warming da aing sai sang kaithara ko mayamsing asu phabangam godi.
Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar has also released 2019 calendar and diary of the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at Secretariat Office, Babupara today. Principal Secretary of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department J.C. Ramthanga, Director K. Kibgin, Project Director of Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA, K. Devdatta and department top officials attended the event. Speaking to media, Minister Shyamkumar stated that various state and central sponsored schemes and programs were carried out under the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, MOMA and MIDH despite challenges and appealed for public cooperation for better future.
Chingna 90% hoiba tamna 10% hoiba aduma jaga amani jaga department sina main power ki waba kya leidaga su lami satpai khong sa kya leidaga su department sina riep janga si bawda praja ki khonja je thabak sing asida amata praja ki thamoi songna ba amadi government sina department sina khona ki ji adu praja sing marakta department pa ka thong khuding makta nimma thongda ba amadi pen ma yam le ma yai uji uji ko form calendar si singani tran si lakpa di koi punamak Prajaga, Department, Amadi Mediaga, Marakta, among Pox and Madonna, among our Mamsu, Minkapu, Bangamasano.
Acting Chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, has condemned mob violence or mob justice as one of the means to demolish human rights. Attending 24th RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Day at RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Square near RIMS Gate today, Khaidem Mani stressed on the need to be aware of human rights. He said, knowing one's rights will help in getting the rights. RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Observation Committee organized the event in memory of those 8 individuals killed by CRPF on January 7th of 1995 inside RIMS campus. Attendees paid floral tributes at the portraits of the victims and also paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to departed souls on the occasion.
Human rights government government haino lady say human right prajagi right ngakna chaba phangdaba phanganaba thabak phangdaba thabak pinaba adigi yum sadaba sananaba development tawnaba lambi thong semnanaba ana layang sing thamnaba school light tamnaba policy tawba punama se sarkar na tawdong ne democratic government haibe se masina human right adigi rang na big achobam ne.
State Institute of Journalism under the Department of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, launched 2-day certificate course on basic of news reporting at Ka Manipur College, Kakching today. Speaking in the event, SP Kakching Victoria Yengkom stressed on the role of media in the society. She believed that the course initiated today will inspire youths in the area to take up journalism. Writer Chanam Hemchandra's book on the history of the state entitled Ningthaulol Lampupa was released at Ipathau Kokshanglin in Naramthong today. Speaking in the event, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited Narengbam Samarjit asserted that the book will bridge the gap between the foregone and upcoming generations.
Manunda Hadilaga, Maduki Pandam Madukarino, Ipai, pushing it, Ikidamata, Tamamibino, soon making things in the Tamambra. When it's Sivuk Tamam Grade, what another Tamambra, I will put to the Tama. Adumasa Kredi, I call Amukana, Chumaki library that like the Targa. Madu talk to the check and the balance, Haravana Matipa, I call it Tungi Anova, Jatiema, Awambama, the same I could put the pork, Targade, Masiki, Ningtol, Lambu Virus. This is not enough. I cry Masiki Hena Putoga, Manipur, Nipun Kudimaka, I call you Lady Bob, Kudimaka, Father Adula, Kandinbada, Canada Badumala, Kamari. They have a Kubaba, Iramiba, recording Asiga, I call Pupna, Masin Nungi.
Moilang Salai Yakaipung held the celebration of the first day of Wakching in the Manipuri lunar calendar as Chahigi Kumho Ahanpa Chahi Haubanamit, the beginning of the new year, at the shrine of Lining Thau Sanamahi, Haying Kumbal today. Kashami Bomcha Mangang, Nongdalin Moirang Thim, Chingakpam Loyangamba, and Wangkemcha Chingtam Lane addressed the gathering as resource persons. Speaking to media, resource person of Moirang Salai Yakaipung Thauchom KK, Moilangcha said as per Malia Pampalcha Kumsing calendar, New Year begins on the first day of the Wakching as written in an old manuscript found in 1978. He said Moilang Salai Yakaipung has celebrated a new year following publications on the same by research scholars.
Ni Wakching Noma Numit Ahan Basida Kanglai Paksida Mita Paipu Singna Chahi Ahan Bahurami Haibasi Kanglak Pasida Kogi Tamoinung the Kariani Kogi Anuba, the Harao, but to Zumba Ikaiba, Pomna Maxiki feelings, ma'am, emotional ma'am, Sitaga Koi, Ipipuna Tanam, Badina Masi, Cam Yamna Chumi, Cam Yamna, Kanatogi, Haiba to the research Chatoga, research paper ma'ams, articles, ma'am, Pongamina, Achumba to Nequenti, Sadana, Marangsalaya Kaipungi, or Nadi Masina Chumlena, Kanglai Paksida, Chahi Kumohan Basi, Waxing Tada to Biu, Haidana, a message of a pizzeri.
Mao Naga community today celebrated Chituni's festival, the New Year festival of the Mao Nagas, falling on the first month of the Mao lunar calendar. The festival is also known as a Feast of the Dawn, occasion to rejuvenate the cultural heritage of the Mao Nagas. The event was held at Tadubi local ground organized by Mao Council Senapati district. PHED Minister El Dikho and ADC member Ashri were among those present on the occasion. 10 villages from Mao community took part in the ho-hoing competition held as a part of the festival. And now to sports news. Wangoi team B Kankod beat their opponent in the 63rd Sir Churchan Singh K CSI CBE Memorial League Knockout Open Kang tournament today. In the 17th league match of the tournament played today, Wangoi team B Kankod beat IWKK Kankod Uchekon Kunau 13-12. 10 Kankods divided into 2 groups are participating in the tournament organized by Singtamay Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at the Kangshang of the association at Singtamay Chingamathak. In tomorrow's 18th league match, Singtamay Kankod will play against LSK Kankod Wangoi. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Journey of Empowerment. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren flags off week-long Startup India Yatra 1 to empower local entrepreneurs and youths in every nook and corner of Manipur. Provocation visit. Opposition leader Ogram Ibobi accuses Prime Minister Narendra Modi of inciting the public instead of announcing welfare projects during his recent visit. And against the Modi government, coordinating body of trade union Manipur appeals for mass support to nationwide strike of Central Trade Union, pressing various demands on January 8th and 9th.